All right, mate. Let's look here. I think it's going to be short and sweet at this point. You know, there's no need to trade this until a new 3-day candle in 7 hours time, 7 or 8 hours time. You know, what you want to see is obviously open up and flip green and recapture this white 100 moving average. You recapture this white 100 moving average, and you know it could really be off to the races then. But until then, I would think it's best to play it safe. No need to buy now. You know, what if Bitcoin's going to drop on a new 3-day candle, and we actually get some red candle back down, pretend there's a red candle. So we just don't know how Bitcoin's going to react. It's actually just bounced again there, and it's now up 5.5% on the day, which is beautiful to see. It does, however, mean that there may be a dip on a new 3-day candle. So we kind of need to be reactive on that and see how it plays out. So, but it's good in a way because it's something you can prepare for. You know, the weekly is still red. That means the 2-week is still red. It may actually be having a 2-week, 9 days left. It's tough to say, but it's you know, if you don't get any movement until for the next 9 days, if it chops about in and around this area, it's, you know, it looks pretty good. It can turn out to be something like this, where you open up on a new 2-week and then you pump higher. So is this going to be a red 2-week candle? It is tough to say at this point. You kind of got to take it day by day. If the 3-day pump doesn't work out and we do drop more, well, we could actually form something like this, where it closes on the lows of the week, and then the new 2-week is your buying opportunity before that big pump higher. So yeah, I would just trade it tomorrow, and you know, worst case scenario, it is you need to wait until a new 2-week. If there's no strength tomorrow on the 3-day, well, you can start to think that that's probably what's happening.